Welcome to our channel. On the street. Hello.
Hi there.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too, thanks. In the park. Good morning.
Good morning. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, the weather is beautiful.
Are you going for a walk?
Yes, I walk here every morning. And you?
Me too. I like fresh air. Meeting for the first time.
Hi, my name is Omar.
Hello Omar, I'm Layla.
Nice to meet you, Layla.
Nice to meet you too.
Greeting a friend.
Hey, long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
How have you been?
Pretty good, just busy with work.
I understand. Let's catch up soon.
Sure, let's do that.
Ending the conversation.
Okay, I have to go now.
Alright, take care.
See you later.
Bye. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell.